Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Our today's lecture is of step by step English grammar level 6. Let's start our lecture. Lesson number 6, models. Read the following sentences. I can swim. We should be careful while crossing a road. We must not litter our roads and parks. We ought to go home now. Will your idea work? All the words in red color are model verbs. The words in red are all examples of models. Models are auxiliary verbs: was, will, can, has, have, had, must, might, could, should, ought, that are used in combination with other verbs to show ability, possibility, permission, etc. Some models express more than one thing. Study the following sentences where can has been used to express permission, ability, and possibility. You can use an umbrella as a walking stick. Ability. You can use my umbrella if it rains. Permission. You can look for the umbrella in the storeroom. Possibility. Some models are must not, can, cannot, may not, need not, ought to, shall, should not, will, would not. Let's understand. Underline the models in the following sentences. Copy the sentences in your notebook. First, people should not throw stones at animals. People should. I can play piano very well. Can. I must finish my work before I sleep. Must. May I borrow your pencil? May. The table given below gives a list of models. Gives a list of models and their functions. Read and understand their use. Function: prediction, will, would, be, going to, shall. Willingness, habits, preferences, will, would. Ability: can, could be, able to. Permission: can, could, may, might, be allowed to. Possibility: may, might, can, could. Necessity: must, have to, have, got to, need not, must not. Obligation and advice: should, ought to, be, supposed to, had, better. Practice. Complete the sentences given below by choosing the most appropriate model from the list given below. Write in your notebooks. I tried hard but could not solve the problem. We have to give love to animals. I can walk 4 miles in an hour. We must not go to school without proper uniform. You should go to the hall for the final dress rehearsal. B part. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Choose the best option from the choices given. Will win the game. I could swim very fast. She can play with us. I was hoping you might give some advice. You ought not to leave the class while the teacher is teaching. Next, page number 24. You are elected as a class monitor using the models. This question is not included in your syllabus. Extended exercise, students. Here this extended exercise is your home task. You have to done at your own. If you have any question regarding unit 6 models, you can ask me in comment box. Allah Hafiz.